In this video, we will discuss kidney failure. We have two kidneys, bache. We have a pair of kidneys. If one kidney is damaged somehow, the other kidney will play the part. Kidney plays a very important role in maintaining the water and salt balance inside the body. That is the osmoregulation. That is the one reason why kidneys are referred as osmoregulatory organs, because they plays a very important role in the maintenance of salt and water inside the body. Along with the kidneys, there are certain other glands also which helps in that, like sweat glands, oil glands. These glands also helps us in maintaining the salt and water balance of our body. But the major osmoregulatory organs are kidney. And if due to certain excessive use of toxins or due to certain injury, if we have a kidney failure or our kidney does not function properly, in the dysfunctioning of kidney, we have two options. First is kidney transplant. That is, we take up a kidney from a suitable donor. That is kidney transplant. And the second method, which is in your syllabus in detail, is artificial kidney or hemodialysis. What is artificial kidney? It is a physiochemical device used to purify the blood in case of kidney failure. So, if someone asks you what is artificial kidney, it is a physiochemical device which is used by a person to purify the blood. The person which have a kidney failure, which have a dysfunctioning of the kidneys, that is known as artificial kidney or hemodialysis. The principle of hemodialysis is dialysis simple. What is dialysis? The separation of smaller ions or solutes from larger ones by an ultrafilter. This process is dialysis, bache. So separation of smaller ions or solutes from the larger particles by a dialyzer, or you can say by an ultrafilter, is known as dialysis. Is the principle of dialysis. So in this, what we do is we'll withdraw blood from artery. This is a artery pump which adds anticoagulant, that is heparin, into it, and also pushes the blood into a dialyzing solution. Now, what is a dialyzing solution? Dialyzing solution is also known as a dialyzer. A solution which has a composition as that of pure blood is known as a dialyzer or dialyzing solution. Dialyzer is a solution which has same composition as that of pure blood, except it has more amount of glucose in it, and it has less amount of certain ion like bicarbonate ion, phosphate ion. Those ions are very less in dialyzer as compared to the usual blood. Otherwise, the other composition of dialyzer is same as that of the pure blood. When this blood is passed through here, so there are multiple cellophane tubes. Cellophane tubes are selectively permeable. They allow certain useful material to goes in the blood and waste material to come out. That waste dialyzer is removed here in the used dialyzing solution pot here, and the fresh dialyzer keep on adding up into the dialyzing machine, into the dialyzer, so that the blood can be purified or blood is purified appropriately. Then the purified blood will comes into this column, and from that column it is pushed into the, it is poured into a vein. Okay? The blood is withdrawn out from the artery. By the help of pump, it is pumped till the dialyzer, the dialyzing solution, from where the exchange of material takes place. Through cellophane tubes, through selectively permeable membranes, which are very fine tubes, so that materials can be diffused here and there or go and through very easily. After the purification, the blood is poured or blood is placed into a vein. That's how dialysis works. And this is the process of hemodialysis.